it. Professional, professional. Homeboy, that Cadillac Dts 07 on boys. Remote start on these boys. On the lat. On the lat. Okay. Okay. We got that out the way. We got that out the way. Let's go ahead and show them boys the double den and the Cadillac. And the jam is something awesome. Let it load, let it load. This is the JVC KW 70 BT.
Respect, homie, I got one.
Yeah, we got one. I mean, truthfully, we've been one. We're gonna keep winning.
There it is. That was in the last video we just showed. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. Car off. Play with some buttons and whatnot. So, once again, radioed up, remote started up. It's another one, baby.